how to turn off the age restriction in X. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off the age restriction in X, or otherwise known as Twitter. So, if you're getting this error message that says you can't view the content due to local restrictions, to fix this, we first need to click on the Home button in the bottom left-hand side, and then just go and click on your profile icon in the top left. Click on Profile and then just select Edit Profile. Now, the very first thing we need to do is click on the drop-down next to birth date and then press Continue. Now, in order to see sensitive content, you need to ensure you're at least 18 years of age. So if you've accidentally set up the wrong birth date, you need to make sure you go and update this using the birthday at the top of this screen. Now, once your birthday is fully up to date, you can close out of this window. You can then come back over to the previous window. Click on your profile icon once again and scroll down and press Settings and Privacy. And from this window, click on Security and Account Access. You can then press Security. And what you'll need to do is go and set up this ID verification. So before you can use this feature, you need to make sure you have Twitter Premium. So we can do that by coming back over to the previous window. You can then select Premium from the list of options. And you can see that with this Premium plan, we have the option to go and do ID verification. So once you've subscribed to this, you can just come back over to the previous window. You can come back over to Security and click on Security. You can then go through the steps to verify your identification. And once you've done that, you'll then be able to view restricted content on Twitter. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.